Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Make.com to Notion step by step. If you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get started. First, log into your Make.com account. In another tab, log into your Notion account as well. Click Create a new scenario at the top. Wait a few seconds, then search for Notion and select it. Next, choose your trigger. For this example, select Watch Data Source Items. After that, click Create Connection and choose Notion Public as the connection type, then click Save. Now you'll be asked to authorize Make.com to access your Notion account. Select the pages you want to allow access to. I'll choose all pages, then click Allow Access. Wait a moment, and once it's done, your Notion account will be successfully connected. To avoid future errors, switch from database to new data source. In the Watch By section, select Database Legacy, then enter your database ID. For the trigger, choose Updated Time and set the maximum number of results per execution. In this example, I'll set it to 2. Once everything is filled in, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully connected Make.com to Notion. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.